Hello guys, my name is failcake and welcome to my first tutorial. Uh, I'll be making expression to, it's not more or less like a tutorial because I won't be teaching the basic, just how to create some weird magic uh, things. In this video I'll be creating Abe's Oddysee, the, the mine from Abe's Oddysee. If you don't know what it is, I'll post a link somewhere or a small video showing it. I'm sorry for my English, and this is my first tutorial, so yeah, I'm sorry if I make some mistakes. I still have, this is the first time I'll be making this, so I'll be making it the same time I explain it, which is quite cool. So, okay, let's start. I already created the basic structure. I like to split this in two areas, the functions and the main code. This, well, runs on tick. This allows me to use this. If the expression 2 is removed, it will trigger this. And pop spawn effect, yeah, disables the defect. Okay, so let's start. Abe's Oddysee mine is like it has some sort of code like red, green, red, red, green, green, red, 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 and that's random every time. So what we need to do is let's create a function that will take return a string, and let's make it like generate code. Okay, let's create a temporary string and return it. Okay, so now we need to let's make it like it will generate a random length of the code, and let's define the code. So like if it's 1 it's green, if it's 0 it's red. Okay, so now let's total create this and make it a random, so it will create a random code length every time. Let's make it a random int. 1 5 2 6 7. Well, now we just need to create a loop. I'll try to sorry, I'll try to explain at the same time I'm coding. If I miss something, forgive me. But yeah, this is just the basic loop. Okay, so now we need to, we know that 1 is green and 0 is red, so let's just add a random 1 2, I don't know, 2, and if it's 1 it will be green, else it will always be red. So else, okay, let's just add the green and the red. Okay, perfect. So let's test it out. Print generate code, and let's see what, oops, it's not my bad. Okay, there. Okay, so if you see on the corner of the screen, you can see ones and zeros, so it will generate that code, bomb code, every time. Oh, one. Wow, that one was hard. Now we need to create a function that will get us the code on that spot. So let's return it a number and give it like index. So on that, it will return the number on that spot. So we first need to, well, we need to save the code that we generate. So mine code, make it a string. Let's save it. Oops. Ooh, ooh. And now we need to check the what number is in that position. So if we do like, let's just make this 111000. Okay. So if we get the code, and we can get bomb code. Damn you. Okay, get bomb code, and if we place a 4 here, it will return as this 0. I hope. Yep. So that's working. We got the random generation, the bomb. Now we just need to start creating the basic. We also need to save the speed of the bomb, the entity, the expression entity, and yep. Okay. Now, in the index, yeah. Now we need to create a timer. So what this will do is, instead of being super fast, it will slow down the expression, so we can like actually disarm it. So let's make this bomb tick and give it a 1 just to start it off. Now add it here, bomb tick, and done. Oops, done. Make this loop. So what this will do is it will loop every time it will call this function. Like this ends, it will call it again. This ends, it will call it again. You didn't need this on GMOD 12. I don't know what changed, but yeah, it's kind of annoying now. That's why most of my expressions aren't working. Okay, so now we need to increase the index, but first we need to check if the index is less than it's bigger or equal than the length of the code. If it is, it will go back to 0. Else, it will just increase. Oops. Oh my god, my keyboard. Okay, got that done. Let's put it there. Now we just need to check. Need to make like an effect to show if the bomb is red or green. So I'll create a hologram here. Holo create one. Holo model. Cylinder. Holo parent. Let's parent it to the expression. Let's, oops, 2 worlds. Let's make it, I don't know, I'm not sure, like 5. And okay, got that done. The scale, can change that later. Okay, so we have this. Now let's see if the bomb code, let's just make it, if the bomb code on that index is 0, means it's red, else it's green. So let's holo color 1, let's make it red, and here let's make it green. Okay, perfect. If we test it out, yeah, it's too fast now. That's normal, because we need to set the speed. I didn't set the speed, so it's 0. Let's make it random. I'll make this mine super random, so like 2 to 4. Okay. Oh, that might be slow. Yeah, that's a bit slow. Let's just remove this a bit. Okay, it's working. We just need to add some sounds so we can actually see if the timer is working. Let's see. Let's grab. Yeah, let's grab this one. Yeah, play sound. Oh, sound play. Let's make it 1, 2, like this. Oh my god, the typo. And let's give it another sound for a different sound for the. Oh, for the red. I actually prefer this sound to be the green one. Sounds better. And this, no, it's fine. Okay, so. Ooh. Okay. This might be a bit too big, so let's make it a bit smaller, like this. Boop, boop. Okay, perfect. Now we got the basic. It's bleeping and changing color, and yeah. Now we need to add a model. Let's just remove this. Add a model to the expression. So need to make it pretty. I like pretty. Let's see. Ah, yeah, I like this one. It's actually good. Yeah. Now we just need to make the hologram a bit smaller. I like to use the units, so let's make this like 0.1. Okay, it's probably inside. Yeah, perfect. Let's make this something like this. Nope, more. Ooh, it's almost perfect. Nah, it's good, it's good. Let's make it a bit bigger. It's too small. Eh. 6. 6 is better. Yeah, perfect. Nice. Okay, we got this working. So now let's. Oh, whoa! I love this bug. The hell? Okay, so anyways, just this. Now we need to create. I'll be using prop car, so we can actually create explosions and stuff. So we need to create a button. So it checks if the player is pressing the top part of the expression and not just the expression. So prop spawn. Let's find a good prop. Ooh. And let's go. Ooh, probably. Oh, this is going to be fun. If I can find it. Ah, aha. Nope, too big. Okay, this one is perfect. Let's give it the hollow position. Let's make it 2 walls. And oops, give it the angles and freeze it. Now parent it and let's not hide it yet. Need to check it. Okay, that's bad, so it's probably this and 0. Ah, perfect. Okay, so if the player presses this part, this prop, it will trigger the arm or this arm. So now we need to hide this. Oops. Alpha. Oh. And what I like to do is, if you remove the expression, it will also delete the prop we spawned for the detection. Okay. So if we remove the expression, oops, If we remove the expression, it also removes the prop. Yeah, see? Okay. Now let's see. We need to add. Let's add like a status if it's armed or disarmed. Oops. So you can rearm it. Okay, make it a string and add it here. There. Now let's create a thing. I like to make this a function so it's more organized. So think bomb, and let's create a function. It needs to be below this. Okay, and what we need to do is we need to find all players by doing this, then creating a loop. Oops. Shout. Yeah, like that. Now we need to grab a player, just one. Oh my god, what the hell? Okay, perfect. Now, let's see, if the player position and distance to the button is less than 50, then you can press E on the bomb. If you didn't add this, people could like disarm it from here. Just needed to aim. So yeah, this prevents it. And let's make the detection for the player collision. If the player touches the prop, it also explodes. So yeah, just this. Now, if the player presses the keys and the player is aiming at the button, can do it like we need to add the disarming arm. So one thing important, we need to add this, so it will only trigger this code once instead of multiple times. Perfect. Now, if the bomb is armed, and if you press, let's add it here. If you press the button and the code is green, set the index. It will explode. If the code is red, it will explode. So if it's 0, it will explode. Else, the status will be disarmed. Perfect. Now we need to create a function for exploding, so we can spam it. Explode bomb. Just need to like bomb equals prop spawn. This, and this. You can also pause the video if I'm being too fast. Break and bomb. Hide it. Okay, perfect. Now we need to find a bomb, not a bomb, prop that explodes, something like this. Most servers block this. Not sure why, but yeah. Anyways, I'll use this. If that doesn't work, you can also use this and guess the Phoenix ones. But yeah, I like using this one. So if we need also to remove the expression. So since it's a mine, will only work once. So let's try it. Oh, and I'm dead. Now, also we need to add the condition if the player, well, doesn't. If the player is too close, it's a proximity mine. It will also explode. Now, what we need to do is add the disable, the disarmed. So let's change the color to gray, like this, and let's give it a nice sound, so you know it's disabled. Ah, play sound. What? 1, 3, and let's grab it. This sound. The sound is good. Oh my god. I bet. Hey, please don't. No, no, no. Yay. Okay, so. Oops. I forgot to do that. We also need to add this. We also need to check if the bomb is armed. Not this one. Yeah, I guess we need to add this. Okay. Yep, does it explode? Now we need to add so we can rearm it. Let's add this. Else, if, well, we don't really need this, but why not? Prevents any errors. Just need to arm it, arm, and start the timer again. Because if you change this to disarmed, the timer will run once, but then it will stop since you can no longer loop. So yeah, you need to start it again. It's like an engine. And let's make it so the code is randomly generated again. So it's a different code every time. And the speed, why not? Okay, perfect. Oh, forgot to change this. So let's grab this. This. Sorry. And there. Perfect. Now, I believe this works. Let's try it. Well, yep, it's disarmed. If we press E again, it's armed. If you press it on the red, it explodes. Yep, it's working. Now let's make it even more pretty. I like pretty things. I'm a princess. Okay, so let's add this mine. Why not? Looks good. Put it here. Let's make it this model. Parent. Add it here. You can make it like this. So yeah, it's the same thing, but less space, I guess. Let's set this to the E because I don't want it to be on the hologram, and -6 perhaps. Ooh, yeah, it's perfect. Now we just need to make this not collide, so we can actually select the move the bomb around like this. Oops. Something is wrong. No, it should be working. Probably because of this. Ooh, strange. Ooh, that's really strange. Oh, silly me. Did I add? Yeah, I did. Oh. Ah. Okay. Solid. Anyways, let's add this here. Pop delete. So it also gets removed, and that's really strange. I wonder why. Anyways, yep. Got the mine working, it explodes. If you press it on green. Come on. Oh, need to be closer. Yep, like that. It's disarmed. I have no idea why. I have no idea why this isn't solid. Oh, silly me. This one. There. Yep. There we go. Got the mine, and boom, it explodes. Oh. So yeah, the tutorial is done. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry that it's not like an easy tutorial, but it's quite fun to create stuff with you guys instead of just creating and releasing. I'll be posting the code in the description or Dropbox or somewhere. I'll be making more tutorials like this. Like I said, I won't be explaining details from Expression 2 because there's like tons of tutorials on YouTube. But yeah, I hope you like, and see ya.